invincible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Lots of static. Oops, desktop audio. There we go. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Give me 1 second here. Okay, there we go. Hey, Gregory, how you doing? So let's check the markets overnight, shall we? We've been popping up. 50, 49, no, I'm wrong. 50, 37, 75. Low in ES, 50, 50, 50, yeah. Okay, can't talk today. 50, 66, the high, so 29 points in range. NQ 286 on the low, 429 for the high, about 140 points, somewhere around there. Copper, big dump overnight, down 200 ticks, or 200 tick range, we're trying to pop up there. Gold, huge move down. It's all the way back down. I mean, the low hit 2304-ish, 43-point range, and you can see, look at this, since it hit its all-time high back here just a few days ago. No, wait, this is the all-time high. 2448 on the 12th. It's now dropped almost 150 points. Ultra Bond made a new low since I moved this yellow line just a couple minutes ago. About a point in range. Looks bigger than that, but it's only a point. So she said, crude oil, big dump. Everything's dumping. Also made a new low since I moved the yellow line. Trying to hang on to 81 there. Almost 2 full points in range. Natural gas is kind of happy. And Bitcoin's also downish. It rose up yesterday. It's pulling back now, just above 66. So that's where we stand, and whatever body posture you're choosing to take as we get ready to rock and rumble. Market's moving down and Q's coming down. Yes, it's coming down. Oops, we need to go back to, nope, not what I wanted to do. YM here instead of the NKD, which I look at in the evenings. There we go. Just give me 1 minute to finish up something I was doing when the stream time came up. How's the trading going, Gregory? Okay, we're ready to rock. Popping back up a little bit there if we can. There was not a lot of movement this morning. Our ATR is under 3. What news do we have? We have at 9:45 U.S. S&P services. Well, all the PMIs flashing us. Services, manufacturing, composite. Then 10 o'clock we have U.S. new home sales. Richmond Fed Comp Index. At after hours, we have Tesla earnings. So slight move down here. Just getting our bearings, see where it's going. That went 5-ish. Yeah. So with no news until after the bell, we could have a choppy pre-market here. We'll see. It'll rise up. We'll let this play out. Let us get a feel. I'm up $20.32 from last night's Asia session. At one point yesterday, this MyFundedFutures account had like $300 in drawdown left. I think it might have been less than that. But now I got 1,028, so we're doing good on a positive momentum. Forgot to start it on my phone. I mean, I don't take any trades before I start the stream. So I get up at 6 a.m. and then the stream starts at 7 a.m. for me. That $20 is from last night. We do an Asia stream Mondays and Wednesdays. So that $20 is from there. So yesterday I ended up trading my funded Apex account without realizing I was trading my funded Apex account. I was trading Flexytrade on Quant Tower without realizing that I still had the Apex account set up to copy trade the trades I take on Flexi. So unbeknowing that I had that set up, because I thought it disconnected and it didn't, I ended up making $400 on my funded account without realizing it until later in the day. Hey, Rod, how you doing? Well, yeah, Flexi gave me an account when I became an affiliate. So it's there, and I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what to do about Flexi. I don't know if I want to pull them from the promotions or not. Yeah, it's a very nice mistake, and it was probably good. I hesitate to trade the funded accounts, especially if I'm not feeling like like I'm seeing the market well, or whatever. I'm looking for consistency. Yesterday, I had a good day all around. I ended up being green in 4 different accounts, but I've had that funded account for a while, but I haven't really done much with it. That was the best day I had on it. It's now back to just within $100 of being back to break even. Yeah, people are wanting my attention now. I got an email from Phoenix Trader Funding, or whatever their name is, asking if I'll be interested in partnering or whatever with them. Yeah, I think that's a good plan, Greg. You know, I'm at the point now that I can pretty much trade all day if I want to. Before I had to worry about making money with other stuff. Now, so I was either I had to switch off once the stream ended, or I had to share my time between trading and the other stuff I was doing to make money. Now I can just focus on the trading. So there's no reason for me not to like be able to like start the day off with an eval and move the funded, etc. And I think, at least for now yet, I'm not sure I should be trading funded on stream because streaming does take some focus away from the trading. So, you know, I think it's better if you're trading the fund at this point, if I'm trading the funded, to have the full focus. Good morning, David. You're on an airplane? Or on top of a skyscraper? Where are you headed? Yeah, I knew it was an airplane. I was kidding about the skyscraper. By the way, as Nightbot just reminded us, if anyone's interested in Elite Trader funding, they have 70% off all their evals. It says today only, but it's only till 9 a.m. Eastern, so you have like less than an hour unless they extend it. Tokyo. Wow. Well, you can meet up with Cossack. Although he's actually vacationing in Sri Lanka, something like that. I can't, for some reason my mouth isn't working this morning. Business or pleasure, Greg? I mean, David. Sorry, David. Still falling. Oh, there's still thought of at one point having a MightyOxTrading meetup. I still need to reach some personal goals for that to happen before we go into a major planning stage. But it's something could happen in the future. Oh, awesome! It's a great present. We're long. Sure, I like it, but hey, we're long. Yep, stopped out right away. So there we go. That was a risky one. We had our bands contracting, so it was either going to expand the bands upward or downward. Downward was the direction it decided to go. Awesome. Safe travels, David. Glad to see you. Tell your son happy birthday from all MightyOxTrading. Just trying to bounce again. Bounce again like I did last summer. I want to thank everyone for joining me. If you have nothing else to do, I appreciate it if you would gore that like button. Let YouTube know that you like me. Morning, Chris. All right. Got stuff to do there, Chris? Oh, sorry. I can write you a note and fax it over to say you have other stuff to be busy with, and to please excuse you. Morning, Cossack. How are you today? Did you get any sleep, Cossack? As long as you're getting some, and it's a decent amount. Lack of sleep can lead to a lot of health issues. We are slow and choppy here. Market needs to wake up. Market's on a sleep schedule too. 4 hours a day is not enough. Trust me, it will catch up with you. There's more and more research coming out that sleeping less than 6 or 7 hours can lead to a whole host of health problems. Yeah, speaking of sleep, what time is it there, Rod? Remember, PMI is not coming up for another hour and 20 minutes. Oh, that's not too bad. I'm preaching here about sleep, but during the week I get like 5 hours, and then on the weekends I get like 10 to 11. I usually get to sleep about 1 a.m. and then nice little rise up here. Didn't really give me a good signal, but nice little rise up. I usually go to bed about 1 and get up at 6. Sometimes I'll take a quick afternoon nap after the bell. They do say that, and it's obviously depends on the person. For me, I look at my screen. Uh, I look at my screen and I put my phone down, and I'm asleep within 5 minutes. Hey Troy, how you doing today? So back up to 377, kind of gained everything back it lost in the last little bit. Still very slow grind. Ooh, excuse me. Usually I mute before I belch. Dow popping up nicely. Gold's trying to recover some. A blue candle there on the 32nd. Didn't take it. Not real enthused by it. Someone remind me to turn that Nightbot off at the top of the hour for elite trader funding. Unless they decide to extend it. Pulls back a tad. pulls back more like a tad. So I should have taken that purple right there. I mean, it's 3 points so far, so we'll see if it goes. That was a trigger. But I really don't like how slow we are right now. I mean, obviously we've gotten this move up, which would have worked, but nice blue candle there. See, that would not have given us even 5. Yeah. Still grinding up. Leveling back out again. So not moving enough for these little ups and downs. Up and down we turn me. Last night during the Asia stream, we had G-Man on the mic explaining some of his processes again. Nice little move by gold over there. Nice grind up. All right, good luck. That was a good blue candle there. I should have taken that. These little moves though are kind of lulling me to sleep. Not literally. I've never fallen asleep on a morning stream. I have fallen asleep on evening streams twice. Oh, nice. Look at that. Closer, getting closer. There's 90. Hey, Speed Racer. How goes it? There's 93 for Troy. Trying to see if we can get back up to 400 here. Let's try it. Going golfing. John DeFore's not here yet, but that'll be music to his ears. Golfing's a passion of his. I have never been golfing. Have been mini golfing a couple of times. There's 400. Hey, man, Moxie, how's it going? Back down to 397. Pulling back a little bit. So it hit 401. Back to 397. Purple candle. Let's see. We're short late as usual. late was I? It should have been at 96, half a minute, 90. I'm 5 ticks late. Let's see. Back up. So that's not going well today so far. Wasn't done yet. Looks like it might want to come down, but right back up. There we go, up to 411. So there's me doubting these blue candles again in the trend, and there's me being stupid. But that's okay. We'll get it. Yes, we will. Still popping up to 415. It's a high. High. Last hour was 429. It's trying to get back up there. I'm the problem with me. Staying above that 9 EMA. About 50 minutes until the bell. No news until after the bell. Start spreading the news. Struggling here. Can I get back up to the highs? It's hitting 415 and it's kind of being a wall. And the wall comes tumbling down in the wall. There's a pull down. That might have been the purple candle I was waiting for. G-Man, welcome. Oh, whoosh. That was the purple candle I was waiting for, but waited. We got up to 417. 429 was Globex high. We didn't, so NQ did not quite get there. Hanging here sideways a bit for the last minute. Tries to pop back up. Pulling down. Popping up. Oh, Troy, do you have Tesla shares or Tesla options? Still not happy with this price action. Even this purple candle here, which looks good, only went down 3 points. But of course, this move down, it's working now. So yeah, I said this didn't work, but it's now working. I just would have had to been patient. Let's see, boom. Oops. I need to be patient, learn how to use this thing. Oh, look at that. Nice burst. And that should get a boom from G-Man. Wow. Called that. At least I'm good at calling the booms. Took a long there, but we might just get right back out of it if it doesn't go. The volume spiked there, so I thought we might be done. It's trying. Come on. Ooh, ouch. Comes back up. Another blue candle. There we go. Target hit. So I just played one of G-Man's patented trades. Let's take this off. We saw, he was short, and he boomed here when he got his profit target. Now he's on ES, I'm on NQ. But I saw this volume. Look at this volume spike. This huge volume bar here, which is 4 times the size of the recent volume. So I saw the green candle, waited for it to close, and I jumped in and I ran it for 6.25 points. We were talking about that exact trade last night. And I got to give credit to G-Man because I never had volume on my charts before. Ooh, sorry about the static. I never had volume on my charts before he and I started talking. And wow, look at that. All the way back up to where that short started, the move started now, or but and now trying to get up to the Globex high. Again, double tops around 416, 417 area. Could not break through. Break on through to the other side. I don't know what song that's from. I have to figure that out sometime. Hey, John? Thank you trying to make another run for the border here. I made an ES versus NQ graphic the other day. My ES versus NQ graphic. They look like M&Ms. Let's try and what did I say the overnight high was? You think I'll remember that because I was just talking about it like 12 minutes ago. 29. We're at 27. ES broke its overnight high up to 50.67.5. It's like Dow's also at its at the high day now as well. NQ poked 27, has not hit 29. Nope, down. Pulls back. Last call for ETF if anyone wants it. Talk about that win I got on NQ Cossack where the equivalent move on ES. This move back up. Here was the spike. Here's the volume spike. If I would have been playing ES based on that same thing, my entry off the 30-second chart would have been 50, 61, 75. Assuming no slippage. So since I mark it in, figure 50, 62. Say you were, not late. Remember, G-Man goes for 5. So would you have gotten 5? Looks like you would have. Wow, $3.75. Gonna get a quarter milk, John? No, that's a great job trading NQ though. What did I do? Oh yeah, it's true. So John, remind me. I know you got rid of the Apex account that was with that algo that you got rid of. Do you have any? You have another Apex account though, right? You have funded. I can't remember where you're at on accounts. Hey, I'm just nosy. Top of the hour, kind of choppy. You mean which company, Cossack? Ooh, big pullback there. Why? Before I answer, why TradeDay, Cossack? I have nothing against TradeDay. I want to hear your thoughts, and that'll help me say if there's any better alternatives. Put it that way. Pulling back down, so you can see here we kind of double top there. Up here, got up to 27, came down, back up, tried again, failed at 25, down. Right down to 12, right down to that moving average. Okay, those are great points, Gossick. The only counter I have, yeah, sorry. The only counter I have is one of the Blue Sky statics, static growth plus, be specific. You can keep growing your number of contracts. It's a static account, also fast withdrawals, great company, etc. But there's nothing wrong with doing TradeDay either, obviously. Let's try to pop back up here after that quick dip. Will this be a different rip? Copyright G-Man. About 25 minutes till the bell, 40 minutes until our news of the day. Start spreading the news. Good morning, Hassan. And how is your Blue Sky account doing? Oh, wait, you said you had to reset. That's right. How's the reset Blue Sky account doing? And don't forget, there's no E in Blue Sky. If you go to Blue Sky Trading, you're going to get like dishware. Ooh, dangerous, but that works. So yeah, this is funny, guys. I'm not sure if you ever did this, and I kind of made fun of Blue Sky when they first launched because of this. But if you just type in Blue Sky Trading into Google, this is what you find: Blue Sky Trading NewYork.com. There, serveware, flatware, drinkware type stuff. So I'm going long on drinkware. I'm going to go short on baking cups. Lollipop sticks. Purple candle here. Purple. And we're short in the purple. With a very tight stop that looks like it might get hit. I mean, where? That 3-point stop that's gonna get hit. Yeah, that was a bad trade. That's okay. It's torturing me now. There we go. That was quick. Bad read there. Bad read. Not a good purple candle. All my rowdy EMAs are tied up there. Not a good candle at all. I gotta. That's one of the ones that can get me. I just. Bad trade. Well, I hope every day doesn't suck. You've already made $800 this on, you'll have to suck a lot to lose that, right? Let me go in and make sure Elite did not extend their sale. Think so. Think so. Yep. You don't want to give it all back. Turn off the Elite Nightbot. There we go. That Elite sale only got me two sales. Wow. That's impressive. I know Justin's been taking money regularly out of his live account with them. It's trying again here for that high a day. 425 again. It's where we topped off over here. 427 is the high. Oh, wow. Uh, so he didn't read the consistency rule. There's 428, new high a day on NQ. They have a consistency rule, Cossack, so he sounds like he blew the consistency rule. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, and they had the limit that you can only until for the first 3 months, just like Apex and Bulenox and all them. Up to 432. So what's yesterday's high? Yesterday's high on NQ is 448, so we're not far away. And then Friday's high 553. It's the way a lot of them do it that don't put you on live accounts. Yeah, because it's a Sin live account. I mean, the cynical person says they hope they blow it. I don't know if that's the case. I think it's more just to make sure that they're not doing anything that they're not supposed to be doing. Yeah, but I mean Hassan like with Apex, it's rare for someone to be put live. I mean, like Robin for money is still not live. Yeah, I know we're talking about ETF, but I mean, like Bulenox and Apex do that same thing with the limiting payouts for the first 3 months. Over 6 figures, Rad. Pulls back. Nah, he just means that nobody knows who Bulenox is. Bulenox is the one we have no clue anything about the company, who owns them, who runs them. All we know is they're registered in Delaware. That's all we know. Oh yeah, never had any issues. I mean, they're in my top 5. I highly recommend both. Of course, there's none on my 13 that I don't recommend, but up to 432, we have 15, 16 minutes till the bell. There's RJ. Hey, there's that's right. I forgot RJ knows Rad. ETF is okay. I mean, for a long time I didn't promote them, and they came to me, and we made up and all that. But RJ, his YouTube channel is posting new content. One day ago, MH370 Part 3. I seem to be looking for an airplane. But he also has a Luxalgo walkthrough, a prop firm Kabuki Theater, CTFC versus My Forex Funds from 5 days ago, so on and so forth. Pulls down here. So is RJ. RJ's anti-prop firm too. Didn't he have, hey Ace, how you doing? Didn't he have cancer or something? Any updates on that? Still slow here as we head toward the bell. Yeah, I'm doing good. Ace, how's the trash? Yes, we do provide a trash reminder service here at MightyOxTrading. See how we're choppy here. I mean, that purple candle, that might work, but I'm gonna wait until after the bell at this point. Maybe I could just give you the link to his YouTube. Yeah, see now the purple candle's working, but yeah. This was the better one. I missed that one because I was looking at Brian Watt. Hey, Rad, I got fired from being a mod on Earn to Trade. Not really fired, but I resigned technically, but they didn't like the negative review, and Gabs got in trouble because of it. So I resigned so I could not bring heat on Gabs because I really like Gabs. I did a video about their changes being a little too late to be competitive and still not being enough. But as the CEO told Gabs, the review is fine, but not while representing the community. So 427 coming down into the bell. I mean, honestly, as dead as that server is, there wasn't much to mod anyway. The auto mod picked up most of it, and then I'll just ban the people afterwards. It wasn't like there was a lot of stuff going on there. And Justin and Snow and Juan handle what is going on there pretty well. There you go, Ace. 2 ticks is always good unless you're a dog. Slow grind down here. I was only still there anyway because I'm wanting to help Gabs. So yes, they do. All the major props have discords besides Bulenox. Eh, don't say anything critical about Apex because they don't like that. Oh. Ace, I could put that on a T-shirt if you want to buy it. Although G-Man might sue me since it's his phrase. Yeah, I know what you mean, G-Man. Hassan, I accidentally traded my Apex funded yesterday and made $400 on it. I didn't realize I was trading Flexytrade and I had hooked up Apex to test the copier, and didn't realize because that was like 2 weeks ago. Didn't realize it was still hooked up, so I traded Flexytrade, took two good trades on Flexy, and didn't realize it was copying the Apex. G-Man saying we're probably going up at the open. We'll see here in a little over 7 minutes. Yeah, I've had an Apex funded for a couple of months now, and then Topstep was in the last month or so. So yeah, I got two funded accounts. So yeah, the Apex was about $500 in the red. It's now only about $100 in the red. And I was green on 4 different accounts yesterday. Remember, we have news coming up 15 minutes after the bell. Not something Ace needs to worry about. Ace will be on bus duty. The fact that I know so many, I just said there's news 15 minutes after the bell, but you don't need to worry about it, Ace, because you'll be on bus duty, I believe. I know all your schedules. I am your stalker. Make sure to make enough for everybody, Hassan. There's like 20 people here. The heck is baby reindeer? Oh, popped up. I don't have Netflix. I actually watch no TV at all. Only time I watch TV is around between Thanksgiving and Christmas time. Wow, that sounds interesting, Ace. Blue candle here tempting me in that whole I'm not going to take any trades before the bell thing. So our high is now 437, low 286. ES high is now. Other number to remember 5076, which is yesterday's high on ES. 448, which is yesterday's high on NQ. I did not see it. So, I mean, I take any one person saying they were scammed by any prop firm with a grain of salt, because everybody, every single firm probably has someone out there that says they scammed them. I know Apex has people out there say it, so on and so forth. It's usually someone upset because they didn't follow a rule, or they did they did something to cause it. How would I find it, AA Rad? 2 minutes to go. Wait, you're early, Ace. I was like, wait a minute. Rad can't because he's not a mod. If he can tell me how to find it, I will look at it and then see. Yeah, I'll look at it after stream. Hope it was an important call. Getting whippy here. Whippy. 15-minute candle whip down. Whip it. Whip it good. 33 down to 26. Back up. Hey, Brad, if you still use Discord, can you send me that link on Discord? How are the eggs, Hassan? Ace used to make us wonderful breakfasts. He doesn't ever offer anymore. 45 seconds. Okay, I got 36 seconds to do that search. Uh, 21K payout denied, full story, that one? Okay. I will watch it after stream. And then I'll tag my MFFU rep that's in my server and see what he says about it. No, I forgot the little bell icon. Ding, 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 ding. Whips up the 438, 440. ES coming down though. Purple candle in ES, blue candle in NQ. Oh no, here comes NQ. Thanks, Rad. Trying to come up with a nice tempo to do like full reviews of all the props. I've been failing at coming up with something I like. Right now we're still with it. ES seems to have a direction. NQ does. Oh, there's the NQ's direction down. Right back up. Back up to 440. Yeah, we have PMI coming up in. There's 52. We just broke yesterday's high. Blue candle gave me a blue candle both the 30 and the 15, and the chop messed me up, and that was a great trade. So now we wait. But with my ATM to 10 instead of 5. Yep, I speak fluent typo, G-Man. I knew exactly what you meant. Pulls back Tadley. Asana shortened the Dow. Back up. 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 64-ish is where we got to the high. ES coming back down. We're shorting NQ. Might have been a mistake. It was a mistake. Idiot of me. That was idiotic. It didn't give me a signal. It was a feeling, and I should play my feelings. Of course, now I get the candle that I wanted. Now we'll try again. There we go. Target hit. So I got back what I lost on that last trade. If I had just waited, see, that was me not following my plan, and I got bit. Following my plan, and it worked. That was the market punishing me for not following my plan, because now I would be up instead of break even. AQ 17434 ES 5065. Dow falling. It's going down for Hassan. Trickles back up. Trying to push back up. Came up, pulled back 2 candles. Yep, we have news coming up. PMI flashing us. Nice, Hassan. Good job, Ace. Love hearing the wins. But also, please let us know if you've taken a loss or trade didn't work out. We want to always present a realistic view of trading, not make it look like everyone just grabs wins. Our goal is to never be a channel that just celebrates wins and acts like losses don't happen. Hanging sideways a little bit here at 440, trying to push up. Just trying to do push-ups. Sorry, didn't mean to cough in people's ear. Hopefully y'all don't get ear infections now. Fun fact, I almost died from an ear infection once. Where does it want to go? Where does it want to go? I'm serious. The ear infection ended up getting into my blood, and I ended up going septic. I was I ended up running 106 fever and put into a medically induced coma for 6 days. Quick push down. Long on the Russell. For Hassan, not me. I don't have a Russell chart. Oh, I mean, the Russell chart's over there. Oh, here we go. It's a nice blue candle. No, went away. Maybe. No. Still, look at this. Just hanging on those EMAs. I've actually had 3 times in my life that I've almost died from medical reasons. Nice Cossack. Excellent. There's 5 points for Cossack. There you go, G-Man. Your protege is starting to get his 5 points. 5 points plus a tick. Bounce. This is yucky. I don't like it. I do not like it. Nah. We're long. Ooh. I am so sorry. I did not mean to hit the mic. It looks like it might come right back down on me. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Middle chart top. This is where my trade is. Quick first up. Yeah, we'll blow it up so it's easier to see. Can we get back up? Almost. There we go. Target hit. 445 to 455. Another 10 points in the books. So now, why did I take that trade after that Congo line of you see chop 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 up 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 up, and I saw this. It dipped, bounced off the band, blue candle. Take it. Now I could have got a lot more because it's ripping. In fact, we're at high day. Up to 77. I got out at 55, so I could have got another 20 points, but whatever. G-Man explodes. Down and bounces up. And down. We are short. Boom. Come on, boom a little bit more. Dang, bounced. Boom. Target hit. 65 to 55 off that purple candle. Wow. Is there 3 people trading the Russell right now? Hassan, RJ, and Kosik? Don't think I've ever saw 3 people. Ooh, whoosh. Oh yeah, news. We forgot the news. I forgot to mention the news. Look at that whoosh up there. Hope no one got caught in that because I forgot to say like 1 minute to go till news. 48 up to 71. That's it. We did say about news a couple of times. New high day. Gold running. 100 ticks on the Russell. It's 25 points, right, Hassan? Oh wait, no. 100, they're 10 ticks a point. So 10 points. 513. Remember, 553 is Friday's high. And for ES, 5095 is Friday's high. Didn't take that blue news candle. Probably because I forgot that it was a news candle. My guess is G-Man? You getting in this long, or was this not a play for you? Coming back down. Didn't take that purple candle. Tiny little purple candle would have been very good to take. Took it on my Topstep X account, which you didn't see, and did get 10 points there. Although Topstep X once again having issues, not showing my trades. Shorted 84 there, G-Man. All right, going for 79, I assume. Oh, did you already get it? I see, it just hit 78 and then back up. Gold, blooming up? Blooming, yeah, booming up. And Q bopping around 17,500. Unskinny bop, 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 bop. Oil really tight range there. And Q taking a little breath while it's trying to decide whether or not. How it's just hanging on that 9 EMA. Kind of funny. Don't think that would just hang on a 9 EMA on a 15-second chart, but it is. There's a purple candle trying to break down below. Not the most convincing purple candle in the world, though. And it's back up, so I didn't take it. Everyone got quiet all at once. Purple candle actually would have worked. Don't doubt the purple. If there's anything Barney ever taught us, it's don't doubt the purple. Or was that the Teletubbies? Never watched either show. Superly duper. Y'all think I'm insane, don't you? Y'all just tune in to see what kind of weird crap I'm going to say. Ace is out with the bus. Will he come back or will he just go running? I think, honestly, I think he like runs after the bus. And still falling, and that purple candle is now laughing at me. You didn't take me, and look what happened. I promise I'm not drunk or on any drugs. Nice. Nice, G-Man, nice. You can see there was a purple candle there on the ES there as well, which also would have led to the promised land. Russell, guys, how's your trades going? Are you all out? I don't have a Russell chart up here on my main screen anymore. Oh, excuse me, anymore. So I actually got to switch. Nice. So let's quickly look at Russell. Oh, wow. Holy, and Russell's back above 2,000. Russell's having a happy day. Nice, Gossick, nice. I wouldn't sleep on Russell, probably not my type. Long, off that blue candle. I accidentally blew up the wrong chart. Struggling to get me my ticks here. Come on, come on. There we go. Target hit. Boom. Thank you, John. John's our news guy. Look at me taking trades. Here we have housing numbers coming up at the top of the hour. Yeah, U.S. new home sales and the Richmond Fed Comp Index. Now, I did not take the next blue candle, and you can see I should have taken the next blue candle. Yeah, Dow's heading up. Pulls back a little bit there up to 526. What did I say? 553? So it's getting close to Friday's highs. Now we dipped we got up to 526. Quick dip back under 500. Wow. Dump down. Like most people are having a good day out there. Now everybody's reminding me of the news because I forgot the news last time. No, it's good. Definitely, guys, don't always rely on me to remind you of news. If you do, keep reminding people in chat because I forget. I've always felt like I have a slight case of ADHD, or no, not hyper, just ADD. So yeah, things slip my mind quickly when I'm focusing on something else. Purple. Trying to tempt me into a purple trade here. I didn't fall for it. Haha. I don't know. I'm in a weird mood today. 45 seconds till news. There was the news. Not really doing much. I didn't think this would do much, but you never quite know. Now, maybe. Yeah, I'm late. Wow, am I late? How did I get that late on that? Ouch. I got stopped and it ended up being a bad trade, but wow, I got in I'm not sure how I got in that late. Let's see what my time was on that. I gave back there 10 points, but I mean, that was going to be a stop out anyway, but 9:01:01, so 10:01:01 on Eastern. So 1 second late. No, wait. That's when I got out. No, right on 45. I'm confused. How did I get that much slippage? That candle started at 94 and I got it in 88 and it says I got in right at the start of that candle. That's weird. I think that was a TradeDay slip. Either way, it wouldn't have went 10, but still. So, I mean, I would have got stopped out either way. But ouch. Hey, Burl. How's your Uprofit fund? Did you find anything else out about your Uprofit funded? Or live funded, I mean. Pushing down. So it ended up being a nice move down. It just ended up bopping up first, knocking me out, and then down. I should have took the second one, but I was there limiting my slippage. Cool. Did they just move your balance from the sim over to the live? Is that what they did? Popping back up. Yeah, Uprofit is not the best with communication. Ended up taking along there. I thought was going to be a blue candle, and it ended up at the very last second not being a blue candle. And it looks like we're going to take the stop. Maybe not. Coming back up. Ooh, look at that. Seems to be struggling here. I'm out. Yep. That was my first time I jumped out early today. Still got 6 points, so I'm okay with that. But I probably would have gotten my target. 93. Yeah, I would have got my target. That's okay. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see. I can't imagine them eating those fees. Thank you, Burl. Yep, rising back above 500, up to 512. Wow, look at that run. That definitely got out way too early there. Purple. Short. What slippage did I get there? 2 points. Hey. It's creeping back up. Come on down. Come on down. Oops. Stopped out. Darn it. Oops. Most RJ, almost all firms when you first go live, when you first get funded, you're on a sim funded account. It's still a sim account, but you make the money that's made from it is still yours. This is because this is a safety net for the prop firm, because most people blow their funded accounts because psychology changes when it's real money, etc., etc. So you start off with a sim funded account, but you still make the money from it. With some prop firms, there's a set amount you can make on the sim level before they move you to a live brokerage account. On others, it's a case by case basis. The truth is, 90% probably, I don't know the actual percentage. So I'm going to say 80, 90% of people that get funded end up blowing their funded account. So if the prop firms put them live right away, uh, they would end up taking a huge financial hit. even with the funded setup fees. So they've put people on a live sim to prove that they can handle the funded account where they're getting real money. And even though they have to pay that out of pocket because sim funding, the sim isn't real money, so they're paying that out of pocket. It's still overall is saving the money in the long run. I mean, like me, I've been funded by Earn to Trade twice. I was funded by TickTick once. I was funded by I'm forgetting somebody, but I forget who. So I've blown at least 3 funded accounts. So my, those would have obviously cost the firm's money if they hadn't been sim. I would have cost Earn to Trade like $4,000 and TickTick Trader $2,000. You're gonna bounce back up on me, really? Come on. Yeah, I'll check the video at some point today, Cossack. It's fighting here at 508. My entry's at 510 half. No, doesn't look like it wants to go my way. Stopped out, going long. Nope. We're chopping now, and I just got caught in the chop. Let's see. Come back up for me. There we go. Maybe not caught in the chop. Trying. Come on. Come on. Come on. Looking for 20. Damn. For 30. Not quite getting there. Back down. Back up. Come on. Come on. There we go. Target hit. Wow. So I doubted myself when I saw that coming back down after going back up with that blue candle, but it ended up working out. And I stayed in it. I was almost ready to jump out. So how's everyone doing today overall? Nice. Nice, Cossack. Blue candle pop in there. I'm not sure I trust it. Pop back up and 531. I said Friday's high was 553, so we're getting close. 535, 537. ES 10 points away from reclaiming 5100. Russell still going? Oh, wow. So what's got the Russell all happy? This keeps up, we're going to become a Russell trading channel. Trying to come down. So not on screen, but I'm 3 for 3, 10 points each on Topstep X and Eval. Took that purple candle there just now. For some reason I wasn't 100% trusting of it, so I didn't take it on this account, but I took it on that one. I like this purple candle better if it's 6. Or maybe this one. Nope, didn't stick. Popping back up and going for that high day, going for that Friday high, 553. ES up to 50.91. Oop, there it is. There it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Up to 554. So breaks Friday's high. See if it holds. We see now. I mean, it's not going to get up to Thursday's high, which was 770. Well, I shouldn't say it's not, but chances. Russell got up to 2013.8. It's about a 35-point run. Look at this, it's still going now, 563. ES is 5 points away from 5,100. It's continuing to rise. Can it take us higher? Yep, still going up. There it goes. There's 80. We're going to hit 17,600. Market is happy today. Shiny, happy market. Rising. 90. $94. Will that be the high? Let's try it again. Will we see 600? So far, we've been denied 600. Kind of believe they wanted to get there. Russell, still running. Russell's the star of the day. $5.99. So really going to deny it 600? Is it really? Appears it might. Hmm. We're watching intently this drama of whether NQ can hit 17,600. It's tried mightily in the last 5-6 candles on the 15-second chart. Still hasn't gotten there. Wall keeping it out. Does it have the strength? Can it find the fortitude? Or will it reject down, not having reached its goal? No one said I wasn't slightly insane. So it dipped down to 884. It's going to try and make another run. Failure. Failure. We're short off that failure, which looks like might be a failure of my own. There we go. Another purple. Like it's denying me full. Ah! Come on. Got within it. Nah. So I only ended up getting 2 ticks out of that. It got it's in an 86 half. I was looking for 76 half. They got down to 77.75. Looks like it's going to try again. Let's see what happens. So I haven't moved my original stop. I'll still be in the original trade, but we're back in. Is it really going to bounce on me again? My cat's saying hello. Yep, it's going to bounce on me again. Come on down. Oh, we're out. Break even trade. No, I actually lost a point. Eh, so I mismanaged that whole ordeal. Yep, pin it down. So I mismanaged that whole ordeal. Have a great day or night or whatever it is where you're at, Cossack. That was a bad trade. Yeah, toward the end here, I've stopped reading the market well. Gold falling down. Crude's back above 82, so it's had a good morning. I didn't realize our ATR's back under 5. So the other thing is it's going for maybe too big of a win. Long. Rejecting. Down. So we started well and ended badly. Overall, the trend was down, so trying to go long there was stupid of me. Very, very stupid of me. Well, and like I said, I just stopped reading the market well. Coming back down. Still falling back down to 559. Never got to 600. Got to 599 and don't. Which I was right about, but somehow I've just totally mismanaged everything from it. It sucks, RJ, but green is green. Ooh, there you go. Still just hanging here, coming down. Pops back up a bit. So how's everyone ending up? And I know that like a lot of you aren't done trading yet, but we're long off that blue candle. Come on, go a little further. Don't be shy. Would have got 25 ticks if I had the target at 25 ticks. Popping up again, another blue candle trying. Nope, then failing. All right, we're out. Took a 1 tick loss there. And there it goes. So there's my original target. So I should have just kept my hands off. Those are going to make that run back up to try and get hit 600 now. We're back up to 86. Make a run for the border. Again, not yet. There we go. 92. 94. Again, a failure. Pulling back. Tries to see if he can get one more head of steam up, maybe. Blue. There it goes. Blue. '96 was the high there. 90. Nope, still cannot get that 600. Up, trying. I'm not sure why I'm so personally invested in this. 600 isn't that big of a deal, but it provides something to talk about. There we go. 17,600. And like almost exactly 17,600 went through more ticks and back down right at the top of the hour. So that's where we are going to call it for today. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we shall see you tomorrow. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.